last question will go to Dan. So what aspects of the program have you found especially for
Well, I'm 3 classes in now, so with that background, I would say that I found a lot helpful, and to be honest, I probably came into it a little smug, kind of thinking, well, I've been working a long time, I've been doing this a long time, I should be able just to kind of cruise through this, and maybe I'll learn a couple of things here or there. And I have to say that I've been humbled a little bit at how much more I actually have to learn, which maybe says something about me more than the program. But I find that I have just taken things that maybe I thought I knew, and I really seen them in a new light. I've been forced to think a little bit more in depth about some areas, or to really dig in and dig deeper than just some of the surface level knowledge that I had. So I found that a lot of the assignments, a lot of the kind of reading or writing assignments that we've had have been helpful, because it really has forced me to go beyond, again, just kind of a surface explanation, to really putting it into a real case study or a real example. So I think that that's been helpful. I think I've learned certainly some things in some of the discussions, and that's part of the program is the weekly discussion forums, and so that's been helpful too. Just learning about some of the different industries and backgrounds that my classmates have, and some of the things that they can bring into the discussion, and hopefully they've learned a few things from me too, and so I think that that's been really helpful. And in terms of things that haven't been helpul, I mean, I can't say that there's anything so far that hasn't been. I think we'll all, anybody would hit these things, certain topics that maybe you already know it, and so it's less new information, but I still don't think there's anything that I would say wasn't helpful or wasn't useful, or didn't really kind of connect into something that was that made a lot of sense and was valuable. So I think that it's all been good at this point, and I assume it will stay that way.